I'm literally gonna squeeze your head.
Okay.
We're gonna decompress that spine of yours. I know headaches has been a big one. Migraines, you're saying?
Yes.
Quite often.
Yeah, I'll go like weeks with like the same migraine.
Oh my
Sometimes it
gosh.
gets pretty bad. I've always had headaches since I was a little girl, and nobody could ever tell me like why or anything like that.
Okay. What about currently?
Right now I have a slight headache. It's
Okay.
always just like there and lingering.
Always. Holy crap.
It's more of like a tension style, so I feel it up here. I feel it on the back, the bottom of my head.
Okay. Oh my gosh. And then middle back, lower back.
Yeah.
And right knee. Jeez. How is like movement in the neck, any?
It's there, but I can feel like tension whenever I move it.
Okay.
Yeah, like a slight pressure.
Okay. So I want to start first with, I'm going to do a tension adjustment, which I don't often do, but we're going to have some fun. I'm literally going to squeeze your head.
Okay. Okay.
My wife hates when I do this to her. It's like a love-hate kind of thing. So we're literally going to pump that frontal sinus. And a little awkward feeling, literally feeling going in and out. Go face down for me first.
Okay.
So we're gonna check that leg length here. Honestly, not bad at all. Left is maybe a millimeter shorter, which is pretty darn spot on, which is a good thing. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
Okay. No pain, but it just feels like tight.
Okay. So no pain, just a little tightness. I can work with that. Let's get things loosened up. I'm gonna start with the massager. Relax everything for you. And I'm gonna start right up top here. We're gonna get that cervical thoracic junction here. There we go. Dang. Ton of movement with that. Take a deep breath in and out. And go a little bit lower here. One more time, deep breath in and out. Yep, and then bring that one up here. Perfect, go above that one. There you go. and you can relax your arms. I want to do a little bit of soft tissue work. Bring your one hand like this for me. Perfect. Gonna get right underneath the scapula here. So we're gonna draw that shoulder back. When you bring that hand there, it opens up that shoulder blade down here.
Okay.
We're gonna get up and under. There we go. Switch arms for me. So a lot of times patients have a lot of adhesions between the ribs and the scapula. Even a little crack there on that one.
Yeah.
Dang. Go face down again for me, please.
Okay.
Alright, now we're gonna check the sacrum here. So I'm gonna stabilize right on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. And relax that side. Raise the left side. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. So that tells me your sacrum is right aligned in the middle, exactly where we want it. I always like going through doing a little bit of lumbar jobs just to help with the lordosis down here.
Okay.
Let me get you to flip onto your back. And then from here we're going to do them leg pulls, so just relax your leg for me. Come on. Perfect. And then actually, let me have you stand right here for me. Bring your arms up like that. Bring your hands on top of mine.
Okay.
Good. So I want you to trust fall back onto me. I
Okay.
gotcha. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good. A little tighter. Right there. Good. So that was actually already cleared on that upper. Let me have you take your seat right here for me.
Facing this way?
Yes.
Okay.
Just want to make sure we had everything clear. And then even I do one more, do an anterior adjustment. Bring your hands up like that for me. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So you already cleared there too. Let your arms just rest.
Okay.
Now we're going to use a Y strap. Now I'm going to imagine, have you had this done before?
No.
Okay. A lot of hair.
Yeah.
A lot of hair. Okay. Well, with this, we're going to decompress that spine of yours. And breathe. Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?
A lot.
Catch your breath. See, when the videos I always tell everyone to rest, catch your breath. After getting that done, it just opens everything out.
Yeah, it's definitely hard to breathe like as soon as it happens, but it gets easier. But you just like, you feel it. It's weird.
Not bad,
But
right?
no.
How I always describe it, the initial pull, it's shocking.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
once you rest and kind of relax and you get your breath and everything back, you're like, okay.
Yeah. I get why people don't move automatically now.
I gotcha.
Okay.
Come on up. Let that just fall off. This from you. Okay.
Yeah, I definitely feel it more like up here.
Like upper neck, upper back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for you, I know what'd you say, 15 years, roughly?
Yeah.
With migraines and headaches? Which does not seem fun. Yeah, I mean, a lot of times when I have patients like that with the headaches and migraines, it's some kind of upper cervical, usually occiput to C1, causing pressure, just triggering headaches and migraines. And
Yeah.
the thing is for you, unfortunately, that you're so accustomed to having them, you almost, like you live with some kind of percentage of a daily headache.
Right.
Which for the normal person, you know, that might almost knock them out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But when you're having something for 15 years, your body just tries to dull it, and obviously you gotta live and work through it. But let me check one more thing. Right side. More importantly, how do you feel?
Good. Yeah. Like I feel the soreness of everything like going back into place, you know?
Yeah.
But I don't feel as much pressure as I used to, like tightness. Yeah.
How's the head?
Feels good. No, it really does.
How's any headache?
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Any headache?
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Any headache?
No.
Good.
Yeah. I just feel like the tenderness, but I don't feel any like headache.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, I know you did put, it was what, like 2 years or maybe longer it's been since adjustment.
Yeah.
So things have been out of alignment for quite a bit.
Right.
Today's gonna be the day. A lot of water.
Okay.
Trust me, if you need like ibuprofen or something,
Yeah.
just because this was a ton of movement.
Right.
Probably more than you've ever got even.
Yeah, even on a normal alignment, it definitely was nothing that much. You know, it was like the basic kind of alignments and stuff, but
hence you've been living with,
right.
you know, you needed a little bit more aggressive
Yeah.
of an approach.
No, it's good. I appreciate it.
Rest, relax.
Okay.
No lifting today. Completely fine
Okay.
with walking, so I'll tell everybody that. Completely fine with walking.
Yeah.
No, nothing.
Just no like tedious, like okay.
When you go back to work?
Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got the rest of today and tomorrow.
Well, actually no. Actually, I'm off this week.
Yeah.
I forgot. Yeah, I
Oh,
took
are
the
you?
week off. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So
Even
yeah,
better.
I'm good to relax.
Relax, enjoy yourself.
Yes.
Drink some water.
Okay.
And yeah. Let me know how things are going. Because
right.
the whole point is, one, reducing the frequency, two, completely
Right.
getting rid of those headaches and migraines, which I know you would absolutely
Yes.
love.
Yes. I mean, I definitely know that going to a chiropractor is probably the best thing to help with them. Which is why I went 2 years ago, but it just didn't. It didn't feel like the right type because you know not every chiropractor can specialize in everything. So.
Yep.
Yeah, this will be good.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Definitely.